Hi, today I have HUAWEI Mate 20X and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To set it, open Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner, open Settings application, and there choose Mobile Network, Mobile Data, and there we must tap on our data. We must turn on our data, confirm by yes, and now we choose our data usage, where we have more data settings, and there we can set it. The first monthly data limit, maybe we set it on 6 gigabytes. We can do it also in megabytes. There we can set when our data start, maybe first day of each month. A usage reminder when we get reminder when we use maybe 90% of our monthly data, and there we have how many is it. It's 90% from our 6 gigabytes. It's 5.4 gigabytes, and there we can also set our daily data reminder when we use maybe 3% of our monthly. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.